it's Ola with Sewing Machines Plus, and I want to tell you about a new event that we're having this year. But first, I have a couple of questions for you. Do you want to be your own boss? Do you love to embroider? Well, this is the event for you. It is called Start Your Own Business. It's in San Diego, May 3rd, and in San Marcos, May 4th. It's a one-day event, only $69. Paulette Bell from Brother will be joining us for this one-day event. She'll be teaching money-making projects and insider knowledge on how to start your own small embroidery business. We'd love to have you to come. If you are interested in starting your own embroidery business, this is a great, perfect event for you. Sign up online or call one of our stores, and I hope to see you there. Stay sewing, San Diego.
Purchase your new machine today by visiting SewingMachinesPlus.com or by visiting one of our retail locations.